Guys, this is the college talk na UAAP NCAA that we're gonna have. It's been a while since we have done the NCAA. But first, we're gonna focus on the UAAP. And it's a wild Wednesday, no? Especially on that UST Adamson game. I remember 35 seconds left, 88-81. Kala ko tapos na. I don't think we were gonna have a podcast to discuss the slate of games today, no? But then Matthew Montebon happened, those two threes. And then Matt Erolon with the moving fast forward to the OT, Matt Erolon's dagger three to lift Adamson against UST, which now makes our standings
This is crazy,
at
man.
I'll say the standings. NU 7-2 number 1. Number 2 LaSalle 6-3, UP 6-3 as well. Number 4 na ngayon ng Adamson. USTS at 5, Ateneo at 6, 4-5, FEU 3-6 and then UE at with 0-9. Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Marian Grem and well, that's why we love college basketball. Thoughts on the on the UST Adamson game? Hindi ko naisip na pag-uusapan natin siya tonight.
Hey,
Promise.
hey, is Monty back? Is
Monty
Monty
is
is
back.
Monty
Looks like
finally back?
Monty is
Oh
back.
man, Monty's back, man. UAAP basketball is real again. Monty is back when UAAP basketball is real. What I on both ends, man. Grabe yung heart ng Adamson na ipanalo yun. Medyo malaking bagay yun. Na they were able to get all the way to first of all 88-80, 88-81.
Mm.
I see teams dribbling it out, man. We, 'di ba?
Diba? That was the right move. Dapat garon.
Yeah. Usually teams are dribbling it out. But these guys, dude, they wanted this win. Shout out to Monty, bro. My goodness, friend of the pod.
Yes,
Monty
friend of the
Montebon,
pod.
brother, you're finally back, bro. I was about to put out some flyers kung asan na siya, man. Kala ko may scene action siya, but
He's
dude, he's
been
back.
missing though. He's been missing.
He has been, but today, dude, he
Oh.
was there in a very important game. Because we'll talk about standings later. Because all of a sudden, what has happened to the UAAP, man?
Diba?
This has
Ang gulo
been
na.
this is just so confusing. I don't know what's happening anymore. But on the end of Adamson, guys, ito for me, said Manzano, top top pick right now in the PBA. Not number one, obviously not number one. But he's like he has to be in that first round for sure. Ang
He's
ganda ng
ano,
panalo. Bro,
Mario.
Collins ako eh. Wala siyang hiya makipag
Yeah.
post up kay Collins ako eh. Come on, man.
Wala
Mario,
ka.
I have a question for you. I have a question for you right now.
Oh,
Titan Ultra offers you Aris
Nako.
Junicio for Cedric Manzano. You're gonna do it?
Of
oh my
course.
God. Depends. Ano ba? Was the who's in charge of management? Was it the Old North part?
Or
Was it
tayo.
was it the
Or
New
tayo
North?
na miraculously binigay sa atin yung team. Kayong tatlo magaling kayo, di ba?
Nah, I want. I ain't gonna answer that question. I'm not in the mood for
Uh,
that. But
Talaga.
I thought my worry was if you were gonna ask me who was a better face card, Monty or Fortski. That's where your question was going, man. Pero buti up.
I'll get there. I'll get there some other time.
But man, he Adamson today played for me yung Adamson kasi is sobrang in comparison to the NCAA, for me, they play a lot like JRU. Na pag pumapasok yung tres ng Adamson and pumapasok
Patay
yung
ka.
tres ng JRU, patay kami. Tambakan to.
Mm.
And that's what happened in the first half, di ba? The Adamson was up in the first half dahil sa mga tres na yun. They weren't missing. They had so many people hitting threes, man. Erolon was hitting threes, Monty was hitting threes. Um, Ranzoni, am I
Ronzoni,
Yeah.
yeah. Parang
Ranzoni
Calzoni.
was hitting threes. Ayun, dude, all of them were hitting threes kanina in the first half. Second half, it died down in the third quarter. Tapos in the fourth, biglang if, pardon me if I say this wrong. Umaranchada ulit sila sa fourth quarter.
Umarangkada. Like, Arangkada
Uh,
Or
NLEX
Rumachada.
na number
Or
one sa
Rumachada.
it
PBA
wasn't both.
ngayon.
It wasn't both. I mixed both. Okay, my bad. I'm trying. But yeah, crazy from Adamson, and then going on to the UST side. Kids out there, if you're wondering why your coach is having you shoot 100 free throws at the end of practice, now you probably know why, man.
Yeah.
You probably know why.
You're right. I haven't. We can talk about the triple OT game of Ateneo and UST. This could be the game of the year. Itong Adamson UST. This
Debatable.
this
Debatable. It's a
is
great
this is
game.
right up there.
Feel good. It's a great game, Graham, pero it's not game of the year. It's a great game with a lot of
It
implications.
was a great game. It was a great game. What was it? Up 11, I think, with um 2 minutes to go.
Wild, bro.
Um, it was really, really wild. And
Tapos na eh.
um I this is what Adamson was not able to do sa first round. Remember against UP, remember against DLSU. They came up short in the fourth quarters. Now they were able to get away with it. I mean, they literally got away with the victory, and it was really the Montebon game that we are all waiting for. But man, Mario, I want to piggyback on you on what you said about Manzano. He is amazing. This guy is
Yes, yeah.
Zach Randolph vibes,
Na may
something like
three-point
that.
shot.
Oo, 'di ba? He's a perfect power forward in the UAAP. Um, he can dominate inside. He's scrappy and he can shoot. Man, Coach Nash Racella's system, umpisa pa lang ng season, gulat na talaga ako against DLSU. They only lost by two. Then they followed it up with another close loss to UP. I said, there's something good going on with this team. And hindi lang talaga sila sumuko in the end. And they hit the shots. And fortunately, UST also missed free throws. They could have iced the game in regulation. They weren't able to do so. But man, when they needed the stops in overtime, remember yung back-to-back blocks ng Adamson against Padrigaw Isa. I forgot who the other block was against. But man, solid win by Adams. So pinagulo talaga nila yung standings. Like, if UST won this game, half of their body may have been in the final four
Yeah,
already. But man, ginulo talaga ng Adams. So they
yeah.
ousted UST in the final four. I mean, if the final four starts, they were basing it off of standings. UST is out. Ateneo is out.
Hmm. Yeah, di
So
ba?
All of a
Biglang
sudden,
out yung
man.
dalawa. Biglang out yung
But
dalawang ano.
before we go to the standings, man,
Yeah.
um, I need to talk about. I know they lost. I know UST lost, but another guard who I'm super excited about, who I think will go to the PBA. I don't think he's going abroad yet. Um, I'm excited for when Fortsky makes it to the
Ah,
PBA.
Fortsky. Okay.
Fortsky's mind, I think he's really a good point guard talaga. Siya yung tipong kayang magtimon talaga ng opensa. And at the same time, dude, ang lalim pa rin ng UST. I think this is what's kind of happening. Sobrang lalim ng UST. Si Lemit, Mark Lemit, he was big. Yeah, he was big in the fourth. Mark Lemit was big in the
yeah,
fourth.
hit a couple
He
of
had
threes.
11? 11 in the fourth, 8 in the fourth, something
Yeah.
like that.
Solid si Lemit.
Yeah.
Actually, solid PBA player din si Lemit.
Is he good, really?
No, I mean, I'm just saying na he gonna be a solid rotation player
When
in
the
the
time comes. When
PBA.
the time comes, right?
8, 9 years. He will
Yeah,
find a
yeah, yeah,
spot there.
yeah. But I'm surprised with these two UST losses. I think they have two in a row, diba? Um,
Three losses
three in a
straight.
row. Yeah, three in a row. Losing to, I think first it was Adamson again. It was Adamson in the
In the
first
first
round.
round, oo nga
Yeah, it
pala.
was Adamson in the first round, and then
Lasal.
excuse me, then LaSalle. No,
Lasal. Last
LaSalle
week.
ba?
You lost to
LaSalle,
Lasal
and
last week.
then
Yes.
yeah,
Oh.
and then you lose your third one in a row to um Adamson, and this is where we can bring in the standings. What in the world just happened to the UAAP? Um, I'm fairly certain the last time I recorded an episode, I said that there were two teams who were sure in the finals. I said it was I am sure in the final four. I
UST
said it
pa nga
was
sinasabi
NU and
natin, finals
UST. I said
contender.
it, right?
Biglang drop
Yeah.
sila, bug.
Oh, wait lang ah. Ito. Graham. We have to give
Yo.
somebody credit here. We have to give someone credit. We have to give Nico credit. When Kian and Mason went down, Nico was the only one between the three of
Pinagtawanan
us
nyo
who
ako.
said na
Pinagtawanan nyo ako.
we did laugh. We said na we don't think it's gonna go any further than that, man. But Nico said na this will be the spark that will push them over the edge. And all of a sudden, from fifth or sixth.
From
These
fifth,
guys are
sixth.
second. These guys are
With a
second,
chance
by
at
the way.
number one. If they
With a
just
chance
played
of
out
number
their
one, by the way.
Man,
Yeah.
to be fair, I have
No, no, no. Give him the credit first. Give him
wait,
the credit
wait,
first.
wait, Mario, man. To be fair, I have had a lot of good takes in this pod. I'm about to miss. I'm due for a miss. So forgive me if I miss some of my
Wait.
takes.
I mean, it's pretty easy to go 50-50 when you make 100 takes per episode. I'm just saying, man. You know how when you like shoot more free throws para maging 50% ka?
no.
Yun lang din yun. But yeah, we gotta give him the credit on that because all of a sudden, man, I don't know anymore. NU is number one. I don't think that changes. I could be wrong, and for the NU fans out there, if I'm jinxing you, I'm absolutely sorry. But I believe NU should be a surefire Final Four, and then I don't know what happens after that, man.
Did
UST
you
and
see how
Ateneo.
Mario Did you see how Mario is trying to build his network? He's good with the MVP group. He's trying to be good with the C family.
This
Man,
guy's doing everything, man. This guy is playing checkers. This guy's playing chess.
Hey, sign me.
we're
Amo ka muna
we're
out
not
there.
on your
Sign me.
level, man. We're not on your level, man.
Y'all don't know. Anyway, Uh, I don't know what in the world is happening in the UAAP right now. I think UP is a surefire Final Four contender. I don't think they lose their momentum anymore. They've won six in a row. I don't think no, they lost to DLSU. I'm so sorry. Um,
Six of
they've they,
seven, I think.
yeah, they've won six of the last seven. I don't think they lose their spot. I could be wrong though, because I normally am. Um, Ateneo, I think, is a few healthy players away from being back in Final Four contention. I think Adamson is all of a sudden Adamson's there as long as Monty keeps
Keeps
being
playing
Monty.
like this. Yeah,
Yeah, as long
preseason
as
Monty. This
Monty.
is preseason Monty.
This is when Monty remembers na, nga pala. Ako nga pala si Monty Montemon, he just has to remember that. But it's just all hell breaks loose right now in the UAAP. I can't even say for certain if NU is guaranteed, but I'm fairly certain they should be naman. But the rest is all hell breaks loose. Um, LaSalle is there is at number two. Right? If I read Nico's chat correctly.
That's tama.
Uh,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
DLSU is number two, which in my mind, so sorry for the DLSU fans out there. I did not believe that was gonna happen, but I am quite obviously wrong right now. So, yeah, all hell breaks loose in the UAAP.
Man, did we forget Ray Allen Torres had 20 points today?
He also had
Like,
30 points.
why
Isa pa
why
yun.
didn't we
Natago
why
lang siya
didn't we talk
because of the
about him?
heroics. Yeah, I mean, this is because of
My
the
bad.
heroics lang din. Yeah,
My bad.
our bad. Yeah, Ray Allen
My bad.
Torres was consistent all
He
throughout.
was. He made some clutch shots too. You're right, Mari. I think NU is the only team right now that can literally NU and UP. NU and UP.
It's
Um,
funny that we say that because DLSU has the same record as UP.
but DLSU is more vulnerable than UP at this point.
I would say that
There's
also.
a tendency that in one
No,
of these games
I would say
against
nga DLSU is really dangerous right now considering that they have
they
found
are
their stride, they have found their
they are
everything, di ba?
but one of these
May
games,
hierarchy na eh.
mafe-feel nila yung pagkawala ni Baklaan and or Amos.
That's your
But
prediction, like for the
yeah,
rest of the
they're not gonna sweep the second round. But man, worry not because LP9 once again stepping up
respect to
against
Luis Pablo. Respect to Luis Pablo.
albeit against the UE Red Warriors. But man, 16 points, 8 of 9 from the field. Do you know how hard it is to only miss one shot out of
LP9.
nine attempts? Had 7 rebounds, a steal and a block, and plus 19 on the plus minus.
Dun,
Luis
dun, dun,
Pablo again.
dun.
I'll repeat
Do
it.
you
If
want
he
this
has one,
jersey? We can try to get this jersey.
if he has 1 million fans, I'm one of them. If he has 100 fans, I'm one of them. If he has one fan, I'm still breathing. If he has no fans, then I virtually died.
If he
Luis
has two,
Pablo, man.
That's a shirt. That's a shirt for Luis Pablo. That's the shirt.
if he has two fans exactly, it's Graham and his kid.
Hey, I raise my kids. I will raise my kids well. Luis
This is
Pablo,
LP9. This is
um,
LP9. Gagawin mo sa bata mo.
This one.
LP9.
This is who you will grow up to be. This one.
Not sure about
Yeah.
the height, but you know the name.
Man, remember when ano yung mga tatay dati, they let their kids watch clips of Kobe, of Michael Jordan, of Allen Iverson. I'll make my child watch clips of Luis Pablo, man. So I'm just
What just
just telling you,
happened?
LP9,
Oh,
LP9
I'm so
to
sorry.
the
I wasn't
rescue.
reacting to that. Reynam Batak just hit a 4-point shot to give
He
TNT the lead
did.
by
He
3.
just did. I was like,
Um, that's why, dude. Yeah, crazy basketball day. A part of that crazy basketball day are the
yeah, please
goddamn
entertain us.
the LPU. Ay, LPU, balik, sorry.
Perpetual, perpetual.
This guy
Perpetual
loves
versus
LP
San Be.
secretly, man.
I love LPU so
Keep saying
much, by the
LPU.
way. I love LPU, guys.
Oh, by the way, the Rosella coaches, by the way,
The
for
Rosella
Adamson
brothers.
and Perpetual, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
but the Perpetual Altas and San Beda gave us a, pardon my American English, a humdinger, a humdinger of
Oh
a game,
yeah,
man.
man,
Triple
crazy.
overtime,
Mm-mm.
where there was the only time the game wasn't close was in the first quarter when Perpetual was leading by 12, when they
Oo.
were leading by like 18-6 or something like that, and then San Beda comes back in the second quarter to tie the game. Third quarter, San Beda takes a 3-point lead. Fourth quarter, I think it was who made the game tying shot. It was Yuken Andrada. Yuken Andrada, future Magnolia hot shot, by the way, which is crazy.
Yeah.
Um, Ties the game. And then in the first overtime, who tied it in the first overtime? I'm sorry, I'm not sure if I got it correctly. If Yuken made the three, and then in the first no, yeah, tama. Yuken made the three, and then in the first overtime, Janti tied it. I'm not sure if Janti tied it. Janti tied it, and then in the second overtime, Janti tied it. What a great game, man! And this is number one of each group, by the way. So for those out there, sige lang. So for those out there who were saying na ang daya ng Mapua, they have the easy bracket. Guys, Mapua isn't even number one in their own group, right? This is what's happening in the UAAP is happening the same way in the NCAA right now.
Yeah.
And it's crazy. LPU na naman po. Perpetual.
Perpetual.
The
Yeah.
LP9 effect, man.
Yeah.
The
I
LP
keep
na.
saying. Yeah. Oo nga naman. And
Luis,
then, but
blame Luis Pablo
Luis Pablo University is what they should call
University.
themselves. Luis Pablo University.
Sobrang random, but okay, go.
Dude, this guy, turn off your camera, turn off your camera right now, dude. I'm gonna go crazy. But man, John T. Miller, I think is legit. I think John T. Miller is truly legit for San Beda. Not even just Janti though. Yukin Andrada is legit. And there's this guy. I hope I'm remembering his first name correctly. I could get his first name wrong, but Nigel Gonzalez is gonna be a
Nigel. Yeah, that's
problem.
tama. Nigel Gonzalez.
Nigel is the
Tama.
one in bed, diba? What?
Yeah.
Chris Newsom just tied the game. What's happening?
Man, my feed
Nigel,
is delayed.
that's on you, brother.
Dude, I
We
sent you the
we
link.
have the same feed.
I'm using that link, man.
Ah, okay, 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 okay.
Press the live button. Maybe you're watching the third quarter. Anyway, Nigel Gonzalez. I'm not sure how many
Mm.
years he has left in the NCAA. Pero magaling si Nigel Gonzalez, bro. 6'2" point guard na kayang lumipad.
Great
I
defender.
see.
Great
Yeah,
defender
great
pa.
defender. Pero grabe siya lumipad sa rim, bro. And he's strong at finishing through contact. I see future. I see a little bit of Scotty in him, if I'm being honest. I
Nigel.
see. Yeah, I see some Scotty
Without the
in him.
playmaking.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the athleticism
Ah,
and
the
at the position.
athleticism and
Oh,
nose for
athleticism,
the
sorry.
ball.
Oh, Nigel's there. I also like Penny Estacio a lot, by the way. I'm surprised. CSB, diba? CSB gave up si Penny, diba? If I'm
No,
remembering.
LaSalle. DLSU.
LaSalle gave up.
So
Yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah.
surprised. And I'm not surprised because LaSalle is always
Yeah,
loaded in
that's
the
a
guard
stacked
spot.
lineup. That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, San Beda, one loss doesn't ruin anything in after your streak, you were fine. Pero grabe yung roster na loaded kasi may Sahonya ka pa. May Bismarck Lina ka pa. And Zed Etulie. I think they call him ZJ. I call him Zed.
Yeah, we call
Um,
it Zed. Kasi diba
he's
sa
a
Asia
hustle guy
Basket.
talaga. And isn't he Pinoy Liga legend?
Pinoy Liga legend yan. Nabutan namin ni
Pinoy
Graham
Liga
yan. Remember
legend
Zed
din yun.
Etule? Team B
Ah, yeah,
mainstay yan.
Yeah,
yeah.
Zed Etulie. He's good, man. And then going on to Perpetual, number one, Patrick Sleet should be in the UAAP. I truly believe he was in the
He
UAAP.
was. He
Yeah,
just
there's a
left
reason he
for
transferred.
yeah.
There's a reason he transferred because he's
Something
not
with the
gonna get
coaches
that
ata
chance.
Mario.
Yeah.
Yeah, something
Di
with
ba
the coaches or
FEU yun or
something.
UE?
FEU siya. Yeah, he's
FEU,
a
Yeah.
yeah.
FEU.
May issue, not sure kung issue or basta he left. He can compete in the UAP. It's just that does he like the
Yeah.
management there? It's a different story.
But bro, he
It's a
had a good game
he has a
today.
Robert Bolick story, man.
Ru-
Wow,
Parang
wow.
ganun, parang
Teka lang.
lumipat sa NCAA
Uy,
and he's
Wow, wow,
dominating.
wow.
No, it's not Robert. It's parang same
Not at the
trajectory.
levels of
story
Robert Bolick, but
Yeah,
storyline
yung
lang,
ganun.
storyline.
yeah, storyline wise, yes.
Okay, okay.
Uh, wait, sorry. May last shot dito yung Meralco.
Okay, all right, 2 seconds.
Wala
Okay,
na
this
yan,
is not
Mario,
gonna
pa
go in,
overtime.
man.
He missed.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, but for Perpetual, you're also very good because I love Perpetual's team, bro. Patrick Sleet is a good main option. Pero grabe yung supporting cast niya, man.
Sila
Marco
JP Boral
Mark
Cruz.
Goho
din.
Cruz.
Andiyan
Yeah,
My
JP
God,
Mark
Boral.
di ba?
Goho Cruz is good, bro. He's a shooter. Mark Goho Cruz is a shooter. Sean Orgo, Pinoy Liga legend. Sean Orgo
Oy, Sean
also.
Orgo. Oo nga pala. Si
Hey,
Sean
hey,
Orgo.
hey, hey.
Sean Orgo is a dead shot from the midi, man. Um, John Abyss, former Hinebra Jin King. Um,
I mean,
who
former, man. He was not signed.
fine, Hinebra Jin King for a week. Um, John Abyss, man, he's a good player. John Abyss is a piso-piso type of player. Yung sure ball, yung mid-range, ganon.
Yeah.
Ganyan si John Abyss. And then, JP Boral, JP, I'm so sorry.
JP.
Um,
JP.
yeah. JP Boral, when the game was they were only up to
Two.
50 seconds remaining, you usually give the ball to Goho Cruz kasi Patrick Sleets already fouled out. You may go to Abyss, you might go to Orgo. Nope. You go to JP Boral for the 3-point dagger. And if he didn't hit it, this game goes into a fourth overtime, which would have been actually crazier. Um what a great game between these two teams. And honestly, this is what I always say dun sa mga talo na ganun, yung triple overtime na loss, wala ka nang magagawa pag ganun, men. Like, not, it just didn't go your way that day, pero you are there. You are a good team. It just so happened na that day, today wasn't that day, pero, men, it was a really fun game to watch for me as an NCAA watcher talaga.
Yeah, the fact that you brought or you dragged your opponent to third overtime means at that particular moment in time or at that day, you were literally a perfect match, di ba? Someone just
Yeah.
had to come out
Someone had to give out, man.
victorious. And in the end, it was those 2 3 pointers. Yung kay Goho Cruz and kay was
Boral.
that Boral
Yeah.
who ended that game. Because you're right, Mario. I do believe that si John T. Miller would have forced a fourth OT
He would have.
um if if uh if they did not knock down one of those 3 pointers. Excuse
Yeah.
me. So um great game. May pantapat na sila dun sa sa UST Ateneo triple overtime game.
Bro, what a day, man. What a day of basketball.
And then
Na,
NLEX won against Blackwater, man. Hey, the
Oh, battle
fans.
of the battle that really matters. Oy, number
man,
one na kami by the way. And then we will
man.
lose we will
Why
lose in
you
the
ruining my mood?
quarterfinals.
Why you ruining my mood, bro? I was vibing, I was on a hot streak. I was,
This
Do
I
you
was,
guy.
have
I was.
Perpetual winning the whole thing?
No, I don't have
Hindi pa
perpetual
rin.
winning the whole thing naman. No,
Hindi pa rin.
I still, guys, this is my problem with San Beda. I sometimes don't understand the rotations of San Beda. Ang init ni Yuki Andrade, tapos linabas niyo siya. Medyo dyan ako nabibigla. I know na medyo may defensive deficiency si Yuki, pero still, dude, um, low-key a little surprised dun sa mga substitution patterns. And right now, I think the main problem is si Jomel Puno is not really understanding ano yung role niya sa offense. Last year kasi, medyo alam niya yung gagawin niya. His role is kind of very easy to understand. He was the second option, maybe even first option. Kayang mag-drive, kayang tumira. But this year, syempre backseat ka kay Janty. It happens. It's Janty. But he's also taken a bit of a backseat to Bismarck. And it's another case for me na ang lalim masyado ng isang roster na not many people are able to get minutes. one of the players, another Pinoy Liga legend, I'm sure you guys know, RC Kalimag doesn't even, he barely plays, man.
Yun nga,
RC
di ba?
Kalimag, Johnson Beda.
Oo nga, no?
We all
Yeah,
thought that RC was gonna,
bro, he
pick up
was
his stride sa San Beda.
Di ba dalawa
exactly.
yan?
Yeah,
Si
si RC and
Richie.
si Richie. Yeah,
Richie
Richie
isa, di ba?
Kalimag. Yeah. But
Yeah.
it's just a deep lineup talaga. But again, NCAA, great day for basketball talaga kung fan ka ng, if you're just a fan of basketball in general, today was one of the best days you could have possibly had. Especially
Man,
for
before,
Nico because Golden State won.
yeah, di ba,
But
that's,
Yeah. That was a
we
great
don't
win,
talk
By
about,
20 pa.
I don't want to talk about that. Man,
19.
just before we go, isn't, Perpetual, backed up by SMC like Coach Al Francis Chua?
They are. They are.
Okay.
I
Anything
don't
they touch, man, turns into gold. Anything they touch turns into
Speaking
gold.
of speaking of backing, you guys see that yung issue dun sa
Oh yeah.
Ano
Stags.
issue?
I
Oh,
don't
yeah,
know
yeah, yeah.
I don't know what to feel about it kasi may somebody came out and spoke. I think it was the head coach of San Sebastian who spoke out na wala raw silang salary. Pero naglabas din ng statement ang San Sebastian management na they've been getting paid naman daw. So I don't know what's true and what's not. I hope it's not true na hindi sila binabayaran.
Hmm.
Um because
But
that would be kind of it's kind of funny on both ends of everything. Kasi
Mm.
if the head coach was lying, your question is why are you lying? I think
yeah,
that's the question, diba? Like what was the purpose of this? And on the other end, kung ikaw yung management of the Stags who are also lying by saying na binabayaran nga sila, why are they lying? So one of them is lying or one
Yeah.
of them is trying to
Parang
cause
he said,
drama.
she said eh. Ganun yung
Yeah,
nangyayari
man.
ngayon.
Yeah, I don't
that's right.
I don't think we wanna take sides naman. Syempre, we
Mm.
aren't these backers and they have a lot more money than me. So I'm not gonna say anything about that. Pero um sana first of all, I feel like there's a better way of handling these situations. Um and second to that is I hope the truth kind of comes out in this aspect kasi ang hirap pag he said, she said,
Oo.
tapos we don't really know who's really telling the truth.
Yeah, normally, brother, when someone comes out against, excuse me, against an organization, against the company, they're probably not lying, because why would you start a fire like that na parang,
Publicly
hey,
pa, no? Nagulat ako dun. Sa
oo, 'di ba?
press,
And
ini-interview.
'di ba, coming off
Yeah.
a win, 'di ba? They beat Letran eh. They
Mm.
upset Letran via 1 point. And then yun yung lalabas sa interview. So something has to have been brewing between
Yeah.
San Sebastian and their staff. I have, as Banquero hits a shot. I have love for Rob Labagala. You guys probably don't know that
Hinebra
guy.
yun, di ba? Hinebra yun,
Yeah,
di ba?
man.
Si Rob
Yeah.
Labagala. Naalala ko yun
The
sa
the
Hinebra.
Hey,
the
hey,
the
hey.
Labagala Wilson Law Office, man, took us to the finals and we just lost to TNT. But you probably
Kaya,
were young at that point.
mas
So I
matanda
have
ako sa'yo, ah.
extra. Yeah, but you were.
Hindi ako
I just
PBA
love Hinebra.
aficionado. Yes. Not a
That's right.
Henry
Um,
Calinato, man.
Henry Galinato, man, look at the face card. But
Oh my God.
man,
Mm.
I'm just saying na when someone comes out like that, uh, something must have transpired, because may mga bagay na pwede mong i-address privately, di ba?
That's why
When
I
you
was
go out,
surprised kasi first time
mhm,
natin marinig yung issue anywhere.
yeah, that's right.
Usually naman, we'd hear it about something somewhere, diba? Now, we'd hear the murmurs na may mga ganun na yun. But the
Someone will
first time,
spread it out, but not directly from the horse's mouth, di ba?
yeah, exactly. And then now it's kind of weird. I'm surprised that it has happened publicly. But to be fair, man, a lot of coaches have been going out in public recently and saying stating their claim. Coach Chris, Coach Tab, Coach
Yeah.
sorry, Jolo, is it Jolo?
Siguro they
Uh,
went through the proper channels na and then they were like, I'm so desperate, labas ko na to. I'm sure dumaan mo na yan sa mga proper channels.
I'm
Siguro,
sure
no?
it did. Pero if that's the case, how is there a Parang there's a how is your coach saying one thing and your management saying another thing?
Yeah. So, sa kanila
That's
na
where
na
I'm
yun.
kind of confused. Kasi why would one lie? Why would either lie? Just to
And
cause
start a
drama?
false fire, di ba? Just a
Yeah, like what's
false
this
fire.
for? Yeah,
Oh,
guys, we're not in the business of taking sides, and we won't take any sides in this argument. But I'm just hella curious what in the world is happening. That one of these people are lying, and we're gonna find out sooner rather than later who is.
yeah.
So,
That is
may
right.
mga sinungaling sa ano, may mga sinungaling din naman sa PBA. Yung mga
Yeah.
um
Like what?
Sabi niya, hindi na kami farm team. Tapos,
Ah,
hindi ako.
ikaw yun, ha?
um,
Hindi ako
but
yun, hindi
man,
ako yun, hindi
you're
ako
right.
yun.
It's an interesting topic. There has to be no, I was about to say, but we're against gambling. I was about to say there has to be odds where people can place a bet. Who's telling the truth, Rob Labagala or San Sebastian? We're
Comment
not
down
people.
below. Comment na lang. Comment for engagements.
We're not supposed to do that.
This guy.
Interesting how this will develop and how this will affect their campaign. Yeah, because they're coming off a win. Like what
Yeah,
comes next
a lot.
from this issue.
Yeah.
NCAA, you're getting noticed, man. You're getting noticed. Not in the
And
right probably not in the right
and
way.
it's gonna be another 2 months before we talk about the NCAA.
Hey, we're
Anything,
trying our
guys?
best,
Anything
guys.
else here on this issue?
Nothing naman, bro.
I
Nothing.
hope they fix it lang kasi kawawa rin naman yung uh I mean
Bro,
on
kawawa
both
yung image
sides.
ng lahat.
Yung image ng lahat. Kaka-image ng lahat nga.
Yeah.
One of somebody's image is getting tainted at this point, and it's palakasan na lang siguro, I guess.
Yeah. It's a typical individual against a corporation. And we
Okay, guys,
normally
so the
know how
question
how
is,
it
who
goes.
will give us passes first, the NCAA or the PBA?
Oh, I
Well,
think
there's a
the NCAA gives passes Mario easily, parang UAAP. Madali lang NC.
yeah,
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 for
See, and
yeah.
we
media.
should start talking about them more. You know what I mean? I'll take the passes. I'll take the
Man,
passes.
And
man, PBA,
still Graham won't show up.
And,
man,
st-
you have
and
like,
Graham will only use it on opening day. And Graham will
And then
only
I
use
should
bro,
it.
not show up anymore.
I'm busy. What do you mean? I work for the PVL, man. The PVL is normally kasabay ng PBA. Sorry, ng
Okay,
UAAP.
Mr.
Sorry,
All
sorry.
Graham.
right,
May
all
excuse.
right,
Man, this
all
this is really a
right.
good game between Meralco and TNT, but
All right.
Yeah,
it's been a good basketball day, really.
yeah.
Yeah. Guys, thank you so much for listening to the Six Man Podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, follow 5-star rating on Spotify. We'll see you all on the next time na may magandang mangyayari or announcement. Peace.
Adios, amigos.